Hi, my name is Kal Reifsnyder. I'm 15 years old, visiting the Futaba headquarters in Huntsville, Alabama. I am the current junior F3A world champion, and today I want to talk about why I use and love the Futaba equipment. One of my favorite Futaba products by far is the HPS A700s. They're very rock solid servos, and I've had no problems through some very hard testing, and I love the servos. Another thing I love about the HPS A700s is I've pushed them through over 200 hardcore 3D flights, pushing them to the limits and as hard as I can, and I've had no problems with them so far. They feel like they're brand new out of the box. A couple of the reasons I love the 18SE is it's very user-friendly, very easy to program. We've had the radio for about 2 years now, and it took me about 4 hours to really understand the radio and how it all works, but ever since then it's been a breeze to program, very easy to use, and it's also very quick. Another reason I love the 18SE is the gimbals. They're very smooth, precise, they feel very crisp when you're flying, and I've had no problems whatsoever with the gimbals. So I want to talk about my F3A setup that I'm currently using and I used to win the Junior World Championship. I'm running BLS 171s in the ailerons, BLS 173s in the elevator, and a BLS 175 in the rudder. I'm using a 7008 receiver and it's fully S-Bus, and I'm using the Futaba-OS 110 speed controller. If you guys want to catch me at an event, I will be at the Tucson Aerobatic Shootout or the Asia Pacific Championship in Australia in November. Once again, my name is Kal Reifsnyder. If you guys have any questions, catch me out at an event. I'd be more than happy to talk to you.